recovery mode is. It is this thing if you like mess something up, where viruses came on your PS3, which is highly rare, then that means you want to do the recovery mode. And this is how you get into recovery mode. First, you turn off the PS3. Then you hold the button till it turns off and then turns on. Turns on and turns off. Just like that. And then there would be one beep and then two beeps about 2 seconds after that. And you show here the 2 beeps. Let me try that again. See, and that's 2 beeps, and a screen shall come on. If you can see this really well, or you want me to read it, just connect the controller using the USB cable, and then press the PS button, which is that. Let's plug this baby in. Then press the PS button, and this would be coming up. Well, that is like really hard to do. I tried it. This practically almost messes up your PS3 system. This I don't know what that is. This is just to restore settings and stuff. System update, that's the thing. You need like a USB thing with the update on it. And this is to restore the PS3 system, which means destroy everything. Now, goodbye.